Here's a question that's going to change how you think about heat pumps. What if your HVAC system could update itself to become more efficient while you sleep? Most homeowners don't realize that traditional heat pumps are stuck with the same performance forever, but Quilt just broke that rule. They've created the world's first software-defined heat pump that literally gets better over time. We're talking about a system with a SEER 2 rating of 25 that can heat your home even when it's negative 13 degrees outside and even colder, and it comes with features that make your smartphone look basic. And also, we made a video where you can see what goes into a Quilt system installation and had the opportunity to interview the Quilt team, the installers, as well as the homeowner, so we'll make sure to link that video at the end for your convenience. Now, when you see a SEER 2 rating of 25 on a heat pump spec sheet, what you're looking at is something that goes way beyond typical marketing numbers. You see, most heat pumps in the 2-zone category tap out around 18 to 20 SEER 2 with a few outliers, and that's already considered premium territory, but Quilt decided to take a completely different approach that sounds crazy until you hear the results, and here's where things get interesting. Companies like Gree and Fujitsu are pushing SEER 2 ratings above 30 on single zone systems. They're operating in total different categories compared to their multi-port systems that face a fundamental problem. That is, the more zones you add to these systems, the more efficiency you sacrifice. Quilt's engineers saw this trade-off and made a controversial decision that other manufacturers won't even touch. They focused exclusively on perfecting one system configuration. We're talking about a single outdoor unit paired with exactly 2 indoor heads. No more, no less. And you can technically install it with just one head unit, but the sweet spot is that 2-to-1 ratio. This laser focus on one specific setup allowed their engineering team to optimize every single component for maximum performance. The numbers prove this strategy works because Quilt achieved an HSPF2 rating of 12 and an EER2 rating of 14.5, and these aren't just lab numbers that look good on paper. They translate directly to your monthly energy bills as well. For a typical home, this efficiency difference means saving between $200 and $400 annually compared to a standard heat pump in the same category, and the system maintains a coefficient of performance of 4 at 47 degrees Fahrenheit for heating, which means that it produces 4 units of heat for every 1 unit of electricity consumed. And even in cooling mode at 95 degrees, it still maintains that same COP of 4, showing consistent efficiency across different operating conditions. And while other manufacturers offer hundreds of different combinations and configurations, Quilt said no to options and yes to optimization. Although there is some customization available with their systems, that SEER 225 rating represents a deliberate choice to perfect one system. Instead of being decent at many different setups, they wanted to be perfect at one, and the results show up where it matters most, in measurable performance that reduces your energy costs month after month. And this efficiency story gets even more impressive when temperatures start dropping below freezing, because this is where most heat pumps begin struggling to maintain their performance ratings. You see, most heat pumps start losing their edge when temperatures drop below 40 or 30 degrees Fahrenheit. Traditional systems will begin struggling at this point, and many become almost worthless below 10 degrees Fahrenheit. You've probably heard stories about heat pumps that work great in mild weather but leave homeowners shivering when they need the heat the most. But Quilt's outdoor unit takes a different approach to cold weather performance. You see, at 5 degrees Fahrenheit, it maintains 100% capacity. That's 18,000 BTUs per hour of heating capacity at 5 degrees Fahrenheit, and when temperatures drop to negative 5 degrees, the system still delivers substantial heat at over 90% capacity without breaking a sweat. We're talking about real heating capacity, not theoretical numbers that just look good on paper. And the real test happens again at negative 13 degrees Fahrenheit, which is where most heat pump systems would either shut down completely at this temperature or switch to expensive backup electric resistive heating. And electric resistive heating costs about 3 times more to operate than an efficient heat pump operation. But Quilt sidesteps this problem entirely by continuing to produce 16,000 BTUs of heating capacity using efficient heat pump operation at negative 13 degrees, making it a very efficient cold climate heat pump because it maintains its output at over 90% capacity. Now, the outdoor unit's maximum heating capacity reaches over 25,000 BTUs, just over 2 tons, with cooling capacity maxing out around the same at 24,000 BTUs as well. And the system intelligently modulates down to much lower minimums when your home doesn't need full capacity, because it is an inverter, and this modulation capability prevents the energy waste that happens when systems cycle on and off repeatedly, which is what you experience when you have a single stage or even a 2-stage heat pump system. And the efficiency story remains strong throughout these temperature extremes. Now, while the coefficient of performance, or COP, naturally decreases as temperature drops, Quilt maintains usable efficiency levels well below 0 degrees. Traditional systems will often need to switch to backup resistance heating around 15 to 20 degrees, which completely destroys destroys their efficiency advantage. And by the way, I'm talking Fahrenheit here. And that's unless they're paired with a dual fuel system. And this cold weather performance represents real world capability that keeps homes comfortable during harsh winter conditions. The system delivers this performance without the efficiency penalties that plague other cold climate heat pumps. You get reliable heating when you need it, using efficient heat pump operation instead of expensive backup heating methods. But hardware alone isn't what created these performance advantages. The real breakthrough comes from intelligent software that manages every aspect of system operation, and that's where Quilt truly shines and stands apart, and where it actually made HVAC history. But before we show you that, if you're enjoying this content so far, please hit the like button for the algorithm and consider subscribing to the channel if you found this content helpful. We put out daily and weekly content on how you can get the best HVAC for your home. So if you found this content helpful and enjoyable, please hit the like button for the algorithm. It's a free way you can show support as well as subscribing, and it is much appreciated. And it's a way that allows us to continue putting out content as long as we have support for the channel. Thanks for doing that. Now back to the content. Now, thousands of Quilt heat pump owners experienced something unprecedented one night. They went to sleep with their standard system and woke up with a heat pump that performed 20% better. That's right. A technician never visited their home. No new hardware got installed. Their system simply upgraded itself overnight through Wi-Fi, and the next day it had increased its capacity by 20%. And this is a feat that has never been done before. And as a result, was news that had it featured in several publications and also caught the HVAC industry's attention as a whole. Because the truth is that this is a sharp contrast with how traditional HVAC systems work. When you buy a furnace or standard heat pump, you're locked into that exact performance for the next 15 to 20 years. And when you think about why manufacturers would do this, it's so that you have to buy a new one in the future, obviously. The efficiency ratings, the heating capacity, the cooling output remain exactly the same from installation day until replacement day. Your system never gets better, faster, or more efficient. But Quilt's engineers discovered that they could safely push their systems beyond original specifications through advanced software optimization and control algorithms, and after testing it in the field, they released it to their customers. The over-the-air update didn't just adjust a few temperature settings, it fundamentally rewrote how the system managed everything from refrigerant flow, compressor operation, as well as heat exchange efficiency across the entire system, and homeowners noticed an immediate improvement in both their heating and cooling performance, as well as sound, because it made the system quieter. Rooms that previously took 45 minutes to reach target temperature were hitting those same temperatures in 35 minutes. The systems delivered more capacity without using additional electricity and without requiring any physical modifications to the hardware. Honestly, this is shocking, and I am impressed to say the least. This wasn't a one-time software fix. It marked the beginning of continuous improvement throughout the system's lifespan. Tesla vehicles, we all know, work similarly, where they gain new features and improve performance through regular software updates that happen automatically while it's parked in your garage. And Quilt's connectivity infrastructure makes these ongoing enhancements possible. The system includes 2.4 and 5 gigahertz Wi-Fi plus Bluetooth for local connection, and this is how the updates can take place. Plus, Thread and Matter compatibility ensure that the system works with current and future smart home platforms without requiring any sort of hardware updates. And the 20% capacity increase demonstrated that HVAC systems don't need to remain static appliances that never improve. They can evolve and optimize throughout their operational lifespan, delivering increasing value over time, which is a huge value add for homeowners. And each software update potentially unlocks better efficiency, improved comfort, or enhanced features that didn't exist when you first bought the system. How's that for innovation? And this software intelligence extends far beyond periodic performance updates. The system uses the same computational power during daily operation, where smart controls and detailed energy insights completely change how homeowners interact with their climate control system. Now, we all know how traditional thermostats and traditional HVAC systems operate. They work under a simple assumption that your entire home needs the same temperature at the same time. And this is with the exception of traditional zoning systems. But Quilt's control architecture recognizes that every space has different needs and usage patterns throughout the day. Your living room gets used differently than your bedroom, and your home office has completely different heating and cooling requirements than your guest room. The Quilt dial thermostat features a high-resolution OLED display with a tactile rotary control for basic adjustments, but the real intelligence operates in the background through occupancy sensing technology that monitors what rooms are actually being used. You see, most homeowners waste hundreds of dollars annually by heating and cooling empty rooms because traditional systems have no way to detect occupancy patterns. But Quilt's auto away feature automatically adjusts temperatures when rooms are unoccupied. The system simply optimizes energy efficiency consumption without sacrificing comfort, which is important, by reducing heating or cooling output to spaces that don't need it. So when you leave for work in the morning, the system recognizes the change and adjust accordingly. And when you return home, it prepares your living spaces before you arrive. And the companion app provides hourly energy reporting and details on a per room basis, giving you per room insights, which is an industry first. You can see exactly how much energy each space consumes on a kilowatt hour basis throughout different times of the day, and this transparency reveals which rooms cost the most to heat and cool, helping you identify opportunities for additional savings through behavior changes or room-specific adjustments, or even updating insulation or windows in specific rooms if there's room for improvement outside of the system. And you can schedule different temperatures for different rooms across different days of the week, because your bedroom might stay cooler during work hours while your home office maintains comfortable temperatures. And obviously, weekend schedules can differ completely from weekday patterns, which is also something we're used to. And this creates personalized comfort zones that adapt to your family's actual routines. And live status monitoring lets you track system performance in real time through the app. You can monitor refrigerant temperatures, compressor operation, fan speeds, as well as energy consumption as it happens. And the reason this is so impressive and important is helps you understand how your system responds to different weather conditions and usage patterns. It gradually optimizes operation to deliver comfort more efficiently based on your actual behavior rather than generic programming. And this learning capability means your system becomes more tailored to your specific needs as time passes. This room-by-room intelligence transforms HVAC from a basic heating and cooling appliance into a smart home system that actively reduces energy waste while maintaining comfort where you need it the most. The bottom line is Quilt has proven that HVAC systems don't have to be dumb appliances that never improve, and they've set a new standard in the HVAC space. They've created a platform that gets better over time, an industry first, while delivering top-tier efficiency today. The combination of 25 SEER2 efficiency, proven cold weather performance down to -13 degrees, as well as continuous software improvements creates something completely different in the heat pump market that we've never seen before. So if you're a contractor that's looking for a new, reliable, high-efficiency heat pump offering, or if you're a homeowner that's looking for an intuitive solution for your home, there's a link in the description on how you can get in touch with Quilt about becoming a dealer, or for homeowners, information on how you can connect with a dealer in your area. As of the filming of this video, they're in over 12 states and rapidly expanding and ready to serve. So if they're not in your market yet, they will be soon. And as promised earlier, there's a video popping up on the screen right now that shows a real-world installation of this product, as well as an in-person interview with some of the Quilt team and dealers. So make sure you check that out.